China says it will respond firmly if the United States insists on escalating trade tensions. The Chinese Foreign Ministry reiterated the warning after President Donald Trump threatened to impose further tariffs on at least $300 billion US dollars on the Chinese imports. But Mr. Trump said he'll only make a decision after meeting Chinese President Xi Jinping at the G20 summit later this month. Beijing has yet to confirm the meeting. Meanwhile, China has reportedly launched a survey of rare earth resources in 7 regions. This comes amid fears that Beijing may stop its rare earths exports in the trade war with the United States. A state-owned newspaper said local authorities were asked to provide specific data and explain the major issues regarding the protection, development and application of the resources. Last year, China extracted 70% of the world's rare earths, minerals that are found in a range of consumer electronics. And the largest assembler of iPhones, Foxconn, says it could move production out of China if the trade war demands it. A senior Foxconn executive added that 25% of their production capacity, that's already outside of China. Apple has to rethink manufacturing once tariffs of up to 25% kick in at the end of June. This will apply to the wholesale cost of phones and laptops imported from China. Foxconn also unveiled a leadership overhaul, which will see 9 executives being involved in the firm's daily operations. The changes come as Chairman Terry Kuo seeks to run in Taiwan's 2020 presidential election. U.S. retail giant Amazon is now the world's most valuable brand, beating out Silicon Valley companies like Apple and Google. That's according to market research agency Kantar's 2019 100 Top Brands report. It estimated Amazon has a brand value of some $315 billion. Kantar said this was thanks to the company's key acquisitions, customer service and disruptive business model. U.S. tech companies dominated much of the list. China's e-commerce site Alibaba was the first non-American company to make it into the top 10, coming in 7th at some $130 billion.